Click subscribe and bell icon to get regular notifications.
Hello to all viewers. I am Dr. Srinivas Jamula, plastic and cosmetic surgeon at Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad. I specialize in breast cosmetic and reconstructive surgery. Let me start off by saying that breast is an integral part to the identity of a female. With breast cancer, what happens is most of the times the entire breast is removed. This leads to an immense adverse effect on the psyche of a female. With removal of the breast, we have seen patients undergoing depression, anxiety, loss of self-esteem, and distancing from social life. We as plastic surgeons help recreate or reconstruct a new breast. Let me tell you a few more things about breast cancer. Recently, it has been seen that more of young females are affected with breast cancer, and because of the advances in treatment, the longevity or the survival post-cancer cure is many decades. So, as plastic surgeons and as a doctors community, it is our responsibility to make aware the females that breast reconstruction is a real possibility and recreating new breast is easy. So breast cancer is managed in different ways. One of the method of treating breast cancer is removing the entire breast, otherwise called mastectomy. Any female with breast cancer who has undergone a mastectomy or removal of the complete breast can undergo a breast reconstructive or a breast recreation procedure. The best time to do it ideally is along with the removal of the cancer at the same stage. What happens is with one surgery both the procedures are completed and the female doesn't have a feeling of removal of the breast. The second thing is it can also be done at a later stage once the treatment is complete whenever the patient needs it. Regarding the procedure, what happens is breast is mainly consisting of skin and fat. So when we recreate a new breast, what we do is take out skin and fat from different parts of the body and transfer it to the chest wall, like from the lower abdomen, from the thighs and the back of the chest, which is used to create a new breast. The answer is no. With breast reconstruction, it has got no impact on the further treatment of breast cancer, be it radiation, be it chemotherapy. Once breast reconstruction is done, the treatment can proceed in the same way without reconstruction also. So this is not a point of concern when a patient wants a breast reconstruction. Recreating new breast is not a new procedure. It is very commonly done in European and Western countries. What we lack in India is lack of awareness. Once we make patients aware that it is possible, they come forward and get it done. That is where the role of doctors comes. The next issue is attitude. In the sense, it is not okay for a female to not have a breast. We should convince them and try to tell them that it is a single procedure and it can be done easily without much complications. And regarding cost, most insurance companies cover the cost of reconstruction as part of the cancer package. So that also should not be an issue. Finally, let me tell you one thing. Get rid of the cancer, not the breast. Thank you.